the Pro Paint RV.
These arrived in the mail. They feel actually really cool. So let's see. So they're bendable like the other ones. Just like a very thin metal. So you can see flex. And then, yeah. I like it. Fitting. Then you get upholstered seats. And the back. So we're getting close to get ready for paint. We're gonna leave this color for now. We're gonna get a new one. So this will be here temporarily until we get a new one, and then swapping out the captain's chairs for new ones. But yeah, coming along, just a few more things, and then figuring out our backsplash. We're gonna replace that, and then cover all this, and then this back kitchen all through here will be tiled, and then we're just figuring out which ones we want. So ones that aren't so heavy. It's got a bunch of different ones. Kind of like the metal. And this one was voted out as too heavy. So I'm just trying to figure out the best one. And then some color swatches to match. So that was for this. And so it looks like we went with that color. And then we're just gonna figure out the color to paint it. So, yeah, big project. But, yeah, it's getting there.
So kind of just to let you know what I'm doing, I'm actually removing all of the fabric from here. And then I'm gonna use this as the sideboard. So I'll use these to redo, and then I'll probably need to get another solid board for that whole back to do. And good news, so the board that I bought, what I was gonna use for that table, will work perfect for that little slide in like we talked about, so we can make it a U shape. And I went in there, and this is where I need to have it cut. So it's working good. Ah, it worked. So now I can I'm gonna attach that to the board, and then I'll stuff each one of these. I think that one will be the middle, because it doesn't matter that this one's shorter, because either way I really only need about that much anyway, so that'll just be stapled underneath. But check it out. Now it'll all be even for my OCD.
We have started the strip down and ready for paint. Right, Caleb?
I'm using Goo Bob Household Heavy Duty Remover, and it is pulling everything out. This is awesome.
This is frame by frame, literally TV quality.
Okay, pulling off the cabinets. Here's all our supplies and tools. Cabinets. Getting it ready for paint, wiping everything down. Everything's down. All the drawers. Entertainment area. And then we'll do the bathroom kind of last, but there's not much in here. So many fixed jobs. Part one, so in the kids' bunk area. As you can see, it's in the back of snapped. There's a hole to the side of it. And it's causing this. So, I'm gonna get a new L bracket and see if we can fix this snap. Alright. These are the worst rollers in America, because it takes a long time to get these to attach. You'd think it would just be an easy slip in and call it done, but there's some kind of magic voodoo trick to get these to work. And they just go here, and you gotta fight it somehow to get it in there.
did end up priming all the black, all the dark. So we ended up sanding, cleaning everything down, and we got a good primer on a lot of the stuff. It's obviously not painted yet, but it's just primed. So I have to get up there, here, and come back here. I still have to get, but you can see like the difference between like the dark and the white. It's hella pretty. And then back here, I like it so much better already. I just put it fresh, but you can see even difference. Like Dee was like, we need 2 coats of primer. It's insane. And we've taped everything, but like, look at the difference between the dark and the primer. So we will be back all day tomorrow. I'm about ready to pack up for the day, and finish priming and then maybe start painting.